Hey everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to insert an animated GIF directly in your emails using the updated 2026 method for new Outlook. This is a great way to make your messages more engaging and fun. So without further delay, let's go through how you can do it step by step. So first of all, you need to open your new Outlook application on your computer, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of new mail button at the top left hand corner of the screen so that you could see this composing section in front of you. Over here, simply click on the body of the email where you want the animation to appear. Now look at the top menu ribbon and click on the option of insert tab. Now from the options that appears here, simply click on the option of pictures. Then it is going to show you your desktop in front of you. So you just have to select that particular GIF from your device which you want to basically add here. A file window will pop up, so you need to navigate to the folders where your GIF file is saved. After selecting it, simply just click on the option of the open button in order to basically let the GIF appear here in your section. So once you see it, simply just review your email, type any text that you want, add the subject and select your recipient's detail. Once you are done, simply hit the send option, and this way you will be able to basically send the animated GIFs in Outlook mail. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.